Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with simple shapes because they set proportions. Draw a slightly wide oval for Hello Kitty's head now. Place 2 small circles for the eyes, leaving equal space between them and the oval nose centered just below. Add 2 rounded triangular ears at the top corners and lightly sketch a bow on the left ear. This identifies the character. Once done, erase heavy lines and refine. Smoothing these base forms makes later lines confident and accurate. Now refine the head and facial features to create that iconic look. Trace a smooth, uniform outline over your oval and erase guides. For the eyes, darken the small circles and add subtle highlights to give life. Keep the nose as a small oval. Hello Kitty often has no mouth, so omit it unless you want a tiny dash. Focus on the bow next. Shape 2 rounded loops and a center knot, and add light pattern lines to suggest fabric texture. To finish, ink or darken final lines to make the drawing pop. Use thin, confident strokes for whiskers and any bow details while keeping facial marks minimal. Add soft, minimal shading beneath the ears and bow to suggest depth, but maintain the flat, simple style that defines Hello Kitty. If proportions look off, make small erases and redraw only the affected areas. This targeted correction fixes balance without losing your overall lines, and it keeps the character clean and cute.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.